Okay, we got all my ingredients. Got our mix here. Got our 1/3 cup water, 1/3 cup oil, 1 egg. Got a pan and mixing bowl, and our utensils. Butter spray for the lining of your pan. And for this recipe, we're going to be using some cannabis infused olive oil. I always use olive oil for any type of substitution of vegetable oil or anything. So we will be trying that out today. So 1/3 cup. I'll have to figure out how many tablespoons that is. Oh my. So I do have my 1/3 cup. But the reason why I want to know our doses. So each tablespoon is the dose, which is, if I can show you, it's 5.5. So we have a 1-to-1 here. So each tablespoon is 5.5 milligrams of THC and CBD. And figured out it's 5.3 for a 1/3 cup, which would mean we're looking at 29 milligrams. So 29 THC and 29 CBD. That'll be for the whole pan. That isn't per brownie. So who knows what that's going to be, but we know it's only going to be about 30 milligrams in there.